20%.
And crypto is 30.
Yes.
Mutual funds?
Mutual funds also same thing, like long term and short term, 12.5 and 20%.
Okay, same.
Yeah. See, the difference here is that in stocks you can do a set off, right? Like if you have a gain of let's say 1 lakh, and against that you have a loss of 50k, then you have to pay the taxes only on 50k. 1 lakh minus 50k, which comes to 50k. So you have to pay taxes on 50k only. But here in crypto, it's not like that. Let's say you have earned a profit of 1 lakh, and you have made a loss of around 20k, right? So then you have to pay taxes only on profit. So the losses won't be set off against the, you are not booking the profit, like you are keeping it in your account. At that time you don't have to pay. The moment you are booking the profits and you are transferring the money to your savings account, at that time you have to pay the profits. Correct?
Which means if I have to pay, for example, if I have to pay 20 rupees as tax, it gets deducted by itself and then I get the remaining, or?
No, you have to show an ITR. Once you file the ITR.
Okay. How we do it in this one, right? Shares and mutual funds.
Right.
So, but while getting, I'll get the full amount, no?
Yeah, you will get the amount. See, that is a bit risky. See, here in stocks, they are being controlled by SEBI, right? But in crypto, they don't have any control, right? It's
Okay.
kind of open market, right? So they don't have any.
So it can be manipulated also easily.
Yes, it can be manipulated, and the risk is high actually in crypto, because they are not controlled by.
You don't have regulators, right?
We don't have regulators. Only the thing is that they have certain apps which are regularized by Ministry of Finance. That's it.
Okay.
Like we have CoinSwitch, and the company name is Coinbase. The app name is CoinSwitch, and the base company is Coinbase. Okay. And
Okay.
next we have Binance and Bybit. But the one I use is CoinDCX. So you can use that one, CoinDCX.
CoinDCX.
Yeah, CoinDCX. CoinDCX.
Yeah.
I think I have told you earlier also on the chat. You were asking sometimes back which app we are using. I have told you that, I think.
I've heard of Binance from a different person though. I haven't heard any of these.
Binance, actually earlier we had access in India, but now they are not allowing the new users to create the account in Binance.
Okay.
Two apps are currently which are being used: Coinbase and CoinDCX.
Okay.
So Coinbase is having a bit of high brokerage. CoinDCX have a bit of less brokerage. So, and the GUI and interface is quite good in CoinDCX as compared to Coinbase.
Okay.
So in CoinDCX you can do technical analysis, and you can plot the graphs, you can use the indicators and all, right? So that is why CoinDCX looks pretty better than Coinbase. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 second, I'll just log in and then I'll show you. See, once you open this page, it will show you all the details about the app, right? Here you can see that it will show you the FIU compliance. Yes, FIU complying with the Indian anti-money laundering laws. Correct. Certified by global standards. See, there are many apps which are not regularized by FIU and ISN. Also, you don't have to use those apps.
Okay.
So there are many apps they are running behind that, and they are doing scams and all, right? So don't use those. Just focus on this CoinDCX or Coinbase.
Okay.
So you have to create a account in this, but I'll show you. Let me log in and then I'll show you. So Bitcoin is basically a type of crypto, right? So apart from that, there are many cryptos. Like in stocks, right? We have variety of stocks, correct? Similarly, here also we have variety of cryptos like large cap. See, Bitcoin is a part of large cap crypto.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then we have, you can say that penny cryptos. We call penny stocks, right? So here we have penny cryptos, means you can also call it as meme cryptos, MEME.
Huh.
So they are highly risky. They are kind of like hero or zero. Either your money will become zero, or it can make you like 500%, 1000% like that, right? So it's a
Okay.
hero and zero, right? So the strategy that you have to use to buy memo cryptos is like buy low and sell high. So you always have to wait for a correction, and once they come near the demand zone and all, then only you have to trade in those meme cryptos, because they are highly volatile and they are being manipulated by the various operators, right? Because cryptos are being traded all over the world, right? So there are many countries which are using it as a legal tender also. As in India,
Okay.
we are not using it, but there are many countries they are using it as a legal tender. So the cryptos are very highly volatile, right?
Okay.
They are,
And how you do your analysis based on the same candles strategy?
but there is a different thing that we have to follow here that I will show you.
The page looks very complicated though.
That I have plotted this technical charts, and that is why it looks to you like that. I'll just close everything. Okay. Okay. Now you can see below the coin wallet, right? Yes.
Huh.
Here you can see coins wallet, correct?
Huh.
So these are the cryptos, right? Adventure Gold, Alchemy, Anim Coin,
Okay.
Anshe, Bakery Token. So these are all cryptos. There are many cryptos. There are thousands and lakhs of cryptos, right? See, so many are there. Right? So what you can do is that how you can do is that first you can go to the. I actually use the app mostly. So website it's a bit complex actually. 1 second. Okay, yeah, here you can see on the left panel, right? ETH USDT. ETH means this is a crypto called Ethereum. You might have heard about it.
Yeah. Huh.
Ethereum. Okay.
Yeah, these are those electric vehicles, right?
No. Ethereum is it's a crypto that's totally different. That vehicles and all. See, here they don't have any business, so they are just softwares which are being.
Okay.
They are just softwares which are being traded
Okay.
all over the world, buy and sell. That's it, right? So they might have some business at the back end. So because they are using apps, right? They have certain softwares. So those softwares are being used by certain companies, or they might be providing some kind of services. So that is different. So you don't have to see the business, what business they are doing. You just have to follow the pure technicals here. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see that Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum and Bitcoin is most highly traded cryptos, and they are also called as large caps. And in terms of crypto, you can call it as a white paper coin.
Okay.
So there are stocks we call large caps or blue chip. Here we call it as a white paper crypto. Okay. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these two you can use the same strategy that you use in stocks, because they are kind of large cap, or you can say that blue chip crypto. So you can use the similar kind of strategies here also, like same kind of patterns, support, resistance, demand and supply. Same thing you can use in these two cryptos. But apart from that, in the other cryptos, you have to follow the buy low and sell high, and you should always use the monthly or weekly chart.
Okay.
We have to use it for long-term investments, correct?
We can't use it for short-term gains.
Short term it can give you, but you have to wait for a correction. Then only you should buy it. See, you have to pay 30% taxes. If you are okay to pay 30% taxes for a small return, then it's fine. But what I think is that because since you have to pay more taxes, then you should wait for more return.
Might as well wait for more.
Yes. So these are all the cryptos here. You can search here: Link, AVAX, SUI, Aster, LTC, WBT, BNB. All these are, there are so many cryptos, right? So this is up to you how you choose it. I will show you one example. 1 second. Let me check one of the crypto. Okay, let me show you first how the chart of Bitcoin looks like. So this is a chart I have selected. This is a Bitcoin chart, okay? You can see the price here, 121,968. So this is in dollars, US dollars.
USD.
And this I have selected the weekly time frame, okay?
Okay.
So how I traded Bitcoin, I'll show you. So I traded around this area, okay? I traded around this area. And because I saw one pattern, which I have explained to you, I think during stocks also, inverse head and shoulder pattern here. So I saw this pattern here, and here you can see there was a breakout here, correct? This was a breakout.
Yeah.
So I saw this pattern somewhere here, so I entered in Bitcoin here. But I used to buy like long back also, like 3 years back also. I started in SIP and all. And once I get around 60-70% return, then I will sell it. So I normally trade for like that, like 6 months, 1 year, like that. I don't trade it for like short term, like 1 month or 2 months, right? I trade it for long period. I have to pay taxes, so that is why I wait for more gains. Okay. So that is why we have selected the weekly chart here. Okay. So here, as you can see that there is a inverse head and shoulder formation here, right? So how you calculate the targets here? You can calculate the targets by seeing the high and low price, right, of this pattern. So high price is how much? 1,10,000. Okay. And low price is 80,000. Correct.
80.
So 1,10,000 minus 80,000, it is coming around 30,000 points, right? So we have to add this 30,000 to 1,10,000. So it will come, the target is coming around 1,40,000 US dollars. Right. So
when do you enter?
You can enter here whenever there was a breakout. Okay. And second is you can buy more whenever there is a retest of breakout. So this was a breakout.
So when you're saying breakout, then ideally the price would have gone out, no? When it is a breakout.
Yes. It went out here. You can see, right? See, there was.
So it went up, no?
Yeah, from here it went up. So this is a breakout candle, the green one.
So you basically bought it when it was high, already high.
You can buy it because it's a large cap, right? So this you can use. You can buy at high also.
Achha, okay.
Right. But I saw it here only. I saw this pattern here only. So I started the SIP at this level because I was not sure when it is going to take a breakout, right? So I started my SIP here, and whenever there was a breakout, I added more quantities.
So when it is towards the resistance, you kind of enter, right?
Yeah. See, there are different traders who use different strategies. Either they can, if they want to buy big, they can enter on a breakout, or they can enter on a breakout retest. So this is a breakout retest zone, right? This area. They can enter here also, right? And some traders who are safe traders, they can start entering here slowly like that. So I used to do a SIP of 1,000 per week, right? So I did a SIP for 1 year, and after that I got around 40-50% return. Then I sold it.
Okay. So now just a question here. Now, since it is very volatile, you don't have regulators here. You saw this pattern, but what guarantee you have that in the future also is going to be following the same pattern?
So
Since you
there may be
already
different
got into
patterns.
SIP.
See, there may be, in Bitcoin, it was inverse head and shoulders, but in Ethereum, there was a different pattern. There was a rounding bottom pattern, right? So you have to follow the same technicals. You have to follow the same technical analysis here as well, even in Bitcoin, even in Ethereum. So you should know how to find those. But the only difference here is that we will see the weekly or monthly chart. Focus on weekly and monthly charts only here. So there we used to check like 1 hour also, 1 day also, right? So here, since we are doing it for long term, then we don't have to see hourly chart or 30 minutes chart. We should try to focus on weekly and monthly charts.
Okay.
Right. So now you can see that the Bitcoin is at a resistance area. So this is again a resistance here, right? 1,21,000, correct? So now the traders who didn't enter here or here or here, they can wait for this breakout to enter. Because as per the pattern, we know that the target is around 1,40,000, and currently it is 1,26,000 approximately, 1,25,000.
So you're saying it can go up till 1,40,000.
Yeah, and after once it reaches this price, after that we'll see if there's any other pattern getting formed at that level. Then we can buy more, or we can wait, or we can book some percentage like that. So for now we have to wait for this target 1,40,000, because as per the pattern it is showing us like that.
Okay.
Right. So see, what I suggest is that in any crypto, use small quantities only, like Bitcoin. And see, you have to decide your capital first. See, for me, like I trade only with 1 lakh in cryptos. I don't have more capital in that. I have not put more capital in crypto because I know it is risky and we have to pay more taxes also, right? But we wait for more returns here. So
sir, my agenda is very clear. I will do, if I enter, I will do SIP only. I will not do anything lump sum.
So SIP only is the best option in cryptos. Don't do lump sum in crypto. Even if you see the pattern also, then also you don't do it, because I saw this pattern, then also I didn't do lump sum. I started only the SIP only, because they are very, very highly volatile, right?
Yeah.
If you see on daily chart, I'll show you. There was a very high volatility in Bitcoin. I think it is not showing in USD one. There was one. See, there are two categories, USDT and INR. The Bitcoin is available in two categories, USDT and INR. So what should we enter into? You have to trade only in INR, and you have to see the chart of USDT and trade INR.
Oh, okay.
See, you can see there was a high volatility in INR. You can see this candle, the lower one, right? This candle. So same candle you won't see in USDT. I will show you the USDT chart. See this, I have plotted the 1 day chart of USD INR. Okay, INR, Bitcoin INR. This is chart of Bitcoin INR. Now I will show you the chart of Bitcoin USDT. 1 second. Very different. Okay. So now you don't see that candle here, right? That long candle, that hammer was there in INR one. Here it is not there. So you have to see the chart of USDT, but whenever you are buying, you have to buy in INR only. Hello? I think your screen is freezed. Hello?
I guess it went by. I have some network issues. I'll just shift my network.
So what you can do is that you can install this app on your mobile first. CoinDCX.
Okay.
You can install now. You can try installing now only. If you get any issue, I'll help you. Because everything is there on the app only.
Do I have to give any documentation?
You have to do everything online. They will ask for Aadhaar, PAN number, and bank account number that you can do online only.
Okay.
So try to do it now only so that I can help you if you get stuck anywhere. Na?
CoinDCX, no?
Yeah, CoinDCX, yes.